Here's the winter weather briefing for January 14, 2014. My name is Jeff Boying, one of the forecasters here with the National Weather Service in La Crosse, Wisconsin. We expect a winter storm to affect the area today. North of Interstate 94, we expect snow this morning with anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of snow falling. Then the snow will taper off late this afternoon and evening. We expect a total of 5 to 7 inches of snow by this evening, with some blowing and drifting snow. There's high confidence this will occur. In west central Wisconsin, we expect snow this morning. Anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches of snow is expected this morning, and then the snow will taper off and end by mid to late afternoon. By evening, we'll have a grand total of 3 to 5 inches of snow on the ground, with some blowing and drifting snow, especially in the higher terrain areas and also in open areas. There's high confidence that this will occur. In southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa, and southwest Wisconsin, we expect snow this morning. Up to 2 inches of snow is expected. And then the snow will end this afternoon. We expect a grand total of 1 to 3 inches by late this afternoon. And northwest winds at 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to 45 miles an hour will cause blowing and drifting snow, especially west of U.S. Highway 52. There's high confidence that this will occur. Looking at the key points again, we expect a winter storm to affect the area today. The hazards with the system will be snow and blowing snow, with the heaviest snow falling this morning. Again, looking for 2 to 4 inches of snow this morning north of Interstate 94. For the grand total of snow with this event, we expect anywhere from 1 to 7 inches of snow, with the highest totals north of Interstate 94 in these areas. It looks like snow totals will range from 5 to 7 inches. As a result, we've upgraded this area to a winter storm warning today. And the reason for the increase in the snow was because the snow is lingering across the area much longer than expected. This winter weather will affect western Wisconsin, southeast Minnesota, and northeast Iowa. Looking this morning, this is the water vapor imagery. We see a system coming out of the Dakotas, dropping southeast into northwest Iowa. Looking at the surface map, we have a low pressure system located near Mankato, Minnesota, with a stationary front located near the Interstate 90 corridor. South of this front, temperatures are in the lower 30s, and north of the front, temperatures are pretty much right around 30 degrees. To the west, there's actually a cold front moving into the area, with temperatures slowly falling into the mid-20s. In addition, there's very strong winds behind this front. We've had wind gusts reported up to 60 miles an hour in eastern portions of South Dakota. Here's the latest radar. We'll zoom to our local area right now. We see snow coming into the area. A lot of snow out ahead of the low pressure system, and that's where the majority of the snow is right now. We've had hourly snowfall rates getting up close to 1 inch an hour with this. Local reports this morning show at least 1 inch of snow has fallen across parts of southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa and west central Wisconsin. And we expect additional snow to fall this afternoon as the snow that's currently up towards St. Cloud area pivots southward and moves right along the Interstate 90 and 94 corridors. We currently have winter weather advisories in effect from North Dakota into southern and eastern parts of Minnesota, northeast Iowa, and much of Wisconsin, and also northern lower Michigan. There's even a winter storm warning in effect right now for north central, and east central Wisconsin. Looking at the current hazards closer to our area, you can see the winter weather advisory, the winter storm warning area, and also wind advisory, which covers western and southern portions of Iowa. Looking at our forecast maps, and this is for noon today, we have a low pressure system located over southeast Wisconsin. We expect snow to continue to fall across the area, with additional snow totals up to 2 inches, and primarily the heaviest totals will be found along and north of Interstate 94. There will be some blowing and drifting snow occurring, especially west of U.S. Highway 52 at this time. At 6 o'clock this evening, we still expect to see some snow falling across central Wisconsin, with some minor blowing and drifting snow across the remainder of the area. As we head towards midnight tonight, the low pressure system is approaching the thumb of lower Michigan. Snow should be ending by this time across central Wisconsin. There might still be some minor blowing and drifting of the snow into the overnight hours. Here's the snowfall forecast across the area. For Rochester, we're looking somewhere around 2 to 3 inches of snow. Charles City, about 1 inch. Boscobel, about 2 to 4 inches. Mauston, pretty much right around 6 inches of snow. And up in Medford, around 6 inches of snow. And as you can see, the heaviest snow totals in the red right now are ranging from 6 to 7 inches of snow. And you can see that pretty much covers the southern portions of Taylor County, Clark County, the eastern portions of Jackson County, and Adams and Juneau counties in central Wisconsin. For summary, we expect 1 to 7 inches of snow to fall across the area by this evening. The highest totals will be north of Interstate 94. Snow this morning will end from west to east this afternoon and evening, with impacts to travels and roadways with snow-covered roads today. There will possibly be some school delays and closings, and there will be northwest winds at 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to 45 miles an hour across southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa, and southwest Wisconsin. This will result in blowing and drifting snow. To keep track of what's going on across the area, we suggest looking at our winter monitor frequently throughout the day. This will keep you up with the current conditions across the area. In addition, please monitor our Facebook page, our Twitter feed, and also our YouTube channel for further updates. Thanks for listening.